Meeting someone you like for the first time can be exciting and terrifying.
But don't worry. Today we'll show you natural, confident English lines to use without sounding awkward.
Stay till the end because these phrases can turn a simple hello into a great first impression. Sarah, do you remember the first time you met someone you liked?
Oh, yes. And I was so nervous I almost forgot my name.
Same here. That's why we need simple, natural lines.
Exactly. First impressions matter.
So what's the best way to start?
Just say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. It's nice to meet you."
Simple, clean, confident.
Yes, no cheesy lines needed.
How about asking a friendly question?
You can say, "How's your day going so far?"
That feels warm and natural.
And it opens up the conversation easily.
What if someone is really shy?
They can say, "I'm a bit nervous, but I'm happy to meet you."
That's adorable and honest.
Honesty works surprisingly well.
What if you want to compliment them?
Keep it simple. "I like your smile," or "You have a nice energy."
Not too strong, not too weird.
Exactly. Light and genuine.
What if the conversation gets awkward?
Laugh softly and say, "I'm sorry, I get a bit shy sometimes."
That instantly breaks the tension.
Yes, and feels relatable.
What if you want to know more about them?
Ask, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?"
Classic, but good.
It shows interest in their personality.
What if you want to share about yourself?
Say, "I love traveling and music. What about you?"
That keeps the flow natural.
Yes, it creates an exchange.
What if you notice they're smiling?
You can say, "I'm glad you're smiling. It makes this easier."
Smooth and sweet.
Very.
What if you want to sound confident?
Speak slowly, smile gently, and maintain soft eye contact.
So, body language matters too.
A lot. It makes you seem calm.
What if you want to politely ask for their number or social media?
Say, "I enjoyed talking to you. Would you like to stay in touch?"
Elegant and respectful.
And no pressure.
And what if they say yes?
Say, "Great. I'll message you later."
Simple and confident.
Confidence is not loud. It's relaxed.
What if they say no?
Just smile and say, "No worries. It was still nice meeting you."
That shows maturity.
Exactly.
What if you want to end the meeting nicely?
Say, "I had a really nice time talking with you."
Soft, sincere, and memorable.
First meetings are all about warmth and presence.
And with the right English phrases, anyone can make a great impression.
Even if they're shy or nervous.